guys, my name is Rashi and I am from Personal Tutor. Today we will be starting with our question number 4 of exercise 6.3. Chapter name is Squares and Square Roots. Okay, so question number 4 is find the square roots of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. If you remember, we have done 3 methods of finding the square root. The first one was repeated subtraction, the second method was prime factorization, and the third method was long division method. Now in this question we have to find the square root by prime factorization. Okay, so first part is 729. Children, 729 के prime factorization के लिए we will start by taking the LCM of this number. Okay, so LCM of 729. If we observe this number, this is not a even number. So ये 2 से तो जाएगा नहीं. Even number होते हैं अगर तो ही वो 2 से जाते हैं. ठीक है, this is an odd number because end में है 9 and 9 is an odd number. So अब हम 3 से चेक करेंगे and for 3 we will add all the digits of this number. So 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18 and yes 18 3 की टेबल में आता है. So it means that ये नंबर भी 3 की टेबल में आएगा. So let's divide this number by 3. 3 2 से 6 होता है, so 1 बचा and 2 12 हो गया. तो 3 4 से 12 and 3 3 से 9. Now again this is an odd number, so we will check with 3. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. And yes 9 3 की टेबल में आता है. So it means this number will also come in the table of 3. Okay, this number is also a multiple of 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Now again we will check by adding this the digits of this number because this is an odd number. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 is a multiple of 3. It means that yes 81 is also a multiple of 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. ठीक है, 21 बचेगा ना, 2 बचेगा, 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 6 is 2, 21 and 3 7s are 21. So now 27. अब now 27 is again a multiple of 3. We all know that 3 9s are 27 होता है. 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3s are 9 and again 3 1s are 3. Now our LCM is complete here. So now what we will do is we will write all these numbers 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 6 times है ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now our second step is to do pairing. अब हमें इनकी pairing करनी है. ये दोनों पेयर बन गए, ये दोनों पेयर बन गए और ये दोनों पेयर बन गए. Now we will write down 1 1 3 from these pairs. 3 into 3 into 3. So अब जो आंसर आएगा that will be the square root of this number. 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 into 3 is 27. It means that square root of 729 is 27. Okay, this was question number 4th part 1. Now we will start with our next part. So our next part is 400. B part is 400. Now we will take the LCM of 400 and 400 is an even number. So ये 2 से जाएगा. 2 200s are 400. Again 2 200 100 Okay, again 2, 2 5s are 10, so 250, it's 100. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 25. अब ये 2 से तो नहीं जाएगा. Now ये जाएगा 5 से. 5 5 तो 25 होता है, राइट? So 5 5s are 25. Now 5 1s are 4. तो अब जो हमारे पास ये numbers आए, we will write them in a row and then we will do pairing. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, so now 1 2 3 4 2 है, 1 2 3 4 and 2 5 2 5. ठीक है, perfect. Now we will start pairing these numbers. ये 2 का पेयर बन गया, ये भी 2 का पेयर बन गया and ये 5 का पेयर बन गया. So we will write 2 into 2 into 5. So it means the square root of 400 will be 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So it means square root of 400 will be nothing but 20. Okay, this was second part. Now let's come to the third part. Third part में our question is 1764. So now 1764, we will take the LCM. So 1764 again even number. So we will divide this by 2. 2 8s are 16. Again 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now again it will go. It is a multiple of 2. 4 4 and 1. Okay. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. So again now this is not a multiple of 2 because it is odd number. But we will add the digits and check whether it is a multiple of 3 or not. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. And yes, 9 is a multiple of 3. It means that this number is also a multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3, 14. 3 4s are 12, 21. 3 7s are 21. Now again check whether 147 is a multiple of 3. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12 and 12 is a multiple of 3. So it means that yes, it is a multiple of 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are 27. Now 49 is not a multiple of 3. It means ये 3 से नहीं जाएगा. 4 no, 5 no, 6 no, 7. 7 7s are 49. We all know that 49 is the square of 7. Now 7 1s are 7. Now with this we have completed this question. Now we will write these numbers in a row. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 7 into 7. अब pairing कर देंगे 2, 3 and 7. Now we will take one number from the pairs. 2 into 3 into 7. 2 3s are 6 and 7 6s are 42. It means that the square root of 1764 is 42. Now children, part number D. It is 4096. Part number D is 4096. Now let's take the LCM. Again it is a multiple of 2. 2 2s are 4. 0 as it is. 2 4s are 8. 16. 2 8s are 16. Now again this number is a multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2. 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now again this number is a multiple of 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again it is a multiple of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 1 बचा, 1 और 1 11 होता है. 2 5s are 10, again 1 बचा, 1 और 2 12 होता है. 2 6 are 12. Okay, again it is a multiple of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. अब 32, again 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, again 2, 2 8s are 16, again 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. तो थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो गया. We will count the number of 2s here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. अब यहाँ पे 12 2s हैं. We will write them in a row. 2 into 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 2. कितने हो गए? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. 12 2s हैं. ठीक है. Now we will do pairing. So 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4th pair, 5th pair and 6 pairs. So 6 times 2 आएगा. ठीक है. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. ठीक है. 1 2 इधर से आया. 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here and last one from this last pair. So now let's multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 32 2s are 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So it means 64 is the square root of 4096. So children, part number E is 7744. 7744. We will take the LCM. This is a multiple of 2. So 2 3s are 6, 17, 2 8s are 16, 14, 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Now again this number is a multiple of 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6 and 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay, so 1936 is again a multiple of 2. So 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are 16. Again 968 is a multiple of 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. 484 again a multiple of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 242 again a multiple of 2. So 242, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 121 is not a multiple of 2 anymore. Okay, so now we will check by 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is not a multiple of 3. It means that this number is also not a multiple of 3. अब अगर हम इस नंबर को ऑब्जर्व करें, दिस नंबर इज 121. ठीक है. इसको 11 से डिवाइड करके देखते हैं. 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11, 0. So it means that this number is a square of 11. 11 11s are 121 होता है. ठीक है. So 11 11s are 11 1s. यहाँ पे हमारा ये LCM फिनिश हुआ. नाउ 2 कितनी बार है यहाँ पे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 टाइम्स. वी हैव 6 times 2 and 2 times 11. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Shall I rub this? Okay, so one pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 11s are 88. It means that the square root of 7744 is 88. This was part number E. Now let's come to the next part. Sixth part is 9604. Nine six zero four. This is a multiple of 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. Okay, 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4. Again, this number is a multiple of 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. Now, 2401. This is not a multiple of 2. We will check by 3. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So, no. This is also not a multiple of 3. Now, 4 का भी multiple नहीं है ये. 5 का भी नहीं है. अब हम इसको चेक करेंगे 6 से. 6 का भी नहीं है because 2 का नहीं है. ठीक है. So, now we will check this by 7. 2401. 7 3s are 21. 30. 7 4s are 28. 21. 7 3s are 21. So yes, this number is a multiple of 7. 7 3 40. 3s are 2401. Now again, I think this number is a multiple of 7 only. 7 4s are 28. 63 बचा. 7 9s are 63. Again 7 7s are 49. Again 7 1s are 7. So it means 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Start making the pairs. 2 का pair 7 7. So 2 into 7 into 7. 7 7 2s are 14 and 14 7s are 7 4s are 28. 7 1s are 7 8 9 98. It means that square root of 9604 is 98. This was part number 6. Now let's come to the next part. So the 7th part is, in total we have 10 parts in this question. 7th part is 5929. 5929. अब 5929 is not a multiple of 2. Let's check this by 3. 9 plus 9 18. 18 plus 2 20. 20 plus 5 25. Okay, 25 is not a multiple of 3. It means that this number is also not a multiple of 3. Okay, 4 no, 5 no, 6 no. Let's check by 7. 7 8s are 56, 32, 7 4s are 28, 49, 7 7s are 49. ठीक है, so it means that 7 8 47s are 5929. Okay, so now again 7 1s are 7, 14, 7 2s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. Now 121 is the square of 11. So 11 11s are 121, 11 1s are 11, which gives us 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. So pairing हो गई 7 का एक pair and 11 का एक pair. 7 into 11 is 77. So it means that square root of 5929 is 77. This was part number 7th. Now let's come to the 8th part. Nine to 16. 8th part is 9 to 16. 9 to 16 is the multiple of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 एक 0 लगेगा because 1 नहीं जा रहा and 2 8s are 16. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 0 as it is आएगा. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Again this is a multiple of 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 12. Again multiple of 2. 576 है. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 144. Again 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 9s are 18. Now 9. अब ये 3 से जाएगा. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Completed. Now let's write all the numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 times we have to write 2. 2 into 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 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 2 times 3. 3 into 3. Now let's make pairs. 1 pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair, sixth pair. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 5 times 2 and 1 time 6. Now let's calculate. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 into 3. 32 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So it means that square root of 9 to 16 is 96. Now part number 9. Ninth part is 529. 529 529 अगर हम ये 2 से तो नहीं जा रहा बिकॉज ये इवन नंबर नहीं है, बट वी विल चेक ये 3 से जा रहा है या नहीं. वी विल ऐड द डिजिट्स एंड चेक. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 9 plus 7 is 16, and 16 is not a multiple of 3. It means that this number is not a multiple of 3. Okay, 4 no, 5 no, 6 no, 7 से चेक करते हैं. ठीक है, 5 29, 7 7 49, 39 no, 7 से भी this is not a multiple of 7 also. 7 से भी ये नहीं जाना. 8 no, 9 no, 10 भी no. ओके, सो नाउ ये अब किसी नंबर से नहीं जा रहा, बट हमें इतना तो ध्यान है कि 529 किसी ना किसी का मल्टीपल तो है. हम 20s की लाइन में चेक करेंगे कि 529 किसका मल्टीपल है. 21 इंटू 21 करके हम चेक करते हैं. 1 1 ज़ा 1, 1 2 ज़ा 2, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 441 आया. एंड वी नीड 529. कुछ ज़्यादा चाहिए. इट मीन्स दैट 21 से भी कोई बड़ा ही नंबर होगा. सो नाउ लेट्स चेक. 22 से चेक करते हैं. ठीक है, टू टू ज़ा 4, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 484. अभी भी वी नीड अ ग्रेटर नंबर. सो लेट्स चेक विद 23. 23 से चेक करते हैं. ओके, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 2 ज़ा 6, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 9, 6 plus 6 is 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 is 5. See, we got 529. So हमें स्क्वायर रूट स्टार्टिंग वाले नंबर्स के लर्न होने चाहिए. ठीक है, एंड वी न्यू दैट 529 इज अ स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर, बट हमें वो नंबर नहीं पता था. सो वी checked by multiplying 2 3 numbers. So 529 is a square of 23. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, we will divide this by 23. 23 is a 529. 23 1s are 23. So simply we will write 23 into 23. We will make one pair and we will take 23, and this will be the answer. So this was part number 9. Now the last part. Last part of this question. 8100. 8100 is an even number, so ये 2 से जाएगा. This is a multiple of 2. So 2 3s are 2 4s are 8. Sorry, 2 4s are 8. 0 because 1 is not going. Then 2 5s are 10. 0 4050 आ गया. 2 2s are 4. 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Now this is not a multiple of 2. 2 0 5 2 5. अब ये let's check. Is this a multiple of 3? 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And yes, 9 is a multiple of 3. It means that this number is also a multiple of 3. 3 8s are 24. Sorry. 3 8s are 50. 3 6s are 18. 22. 3 7s are 21. And 3 5s are 15. Now 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Now again it will go by 3. 3 7s are 21. And 3 5s are 15. Again 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. अब 25 तो 5 से ही जाएगा. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Okay, so the conclusion we got is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Let's make the pairs. 1 pair of 2, 1 pair of 3, 1 pair of 3, 1 pair of 5. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. And 18 5s are 8 5s are 40. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 is 9. So it means that square root of 8100 is 9090. With this we have completed our question number 4. Question number 5 we will start in our next video. So stay tuned and thank you.